So here we are. Mare Blue is a 63-foot lagoon, and it's a power cat, no sails. Let's just have a walk on. So they've put their little floaty chairs out for us to have a look at. So look at this table setting, absolutely gorgeous. So there was a competition for the table settings, which the guys entered. So I think that looks gorgeous. This is the bar area. All your favourite drinks. There we go. Blender for your frozen cocktails. There we go. Take you upstairs to the flybridge. This is a beautiful area to hang out. It's lovely when you're at anchor to sit on the flybridge and have some like nice cool Caribbean breeze blowing through while you're having some champagne, no less. Lovely area here. This has a slidey thing that comes across, so you can be in the shade if you want to, or the sun can come in. It gets hot out there, so shade is important, but either way that closes, or you can have it open. Helm station, the captain's seats. Let's go out let me show you over the front. So they've put their toys out for us to have a look at. Like water skis, there's a couple of sea scooters, little floaty island, flamingo. See a lot of those on Anegada. You've got kneeboard, wakeboard, water skis, and a towable tube, which the kids love. Okay, let's go down. And I'll take you inside. Downstairs. So as I said, I had lunch on it yesterday and it was absolutely amazing. It was really cool. This is our crew. It's Jordan.
Thanks very much. All right.
Have a good day.
See you again.
Right, we go down this side. So this is the master cabin. So these guys do a really good job. So when you come and do a charter, you get this little goodie bag, which is great. You have a little dry bag. You get a Yeti cup, Mare Blue Yeti cup, a hat, a wallet for your phone. So if you're going to swim into Soggy Dollar from the boat, that's important. That's important. So that's great. So you get a little goodie bag when you come on board. I'll put that back. Lovely sheets on these beds. Brilliant. Nice and comfortable. Feel great. And then check out this wonderful bathroom. So nice. Twin sinks. Lovely shower. Again, the rain head. Love the rain head. And then you've got separate access out to the after. So you don't even have to go up and walk through the salon. You can just go up there and straight out. Robes. Supply robes for you. Look at these towels. Lovely towels with embroidery on them. And they, they supply things that you may forget. All your body wash, shower gel, shampoos, conditioners. Beautiful. TV. Lots of closet space. Okay, so we go upstairs. Hi! Let's go down this way. And there's another cabin down here. It's beautiful. And then the shower is in here. Lovely little touches here. Lovely, lovely. I'll go over this side. As I said, I had a wonderful lunch on here yesterday. Well done, Chevy. It was really, really great. Really great. We had lamb and it was amazing. Perfectly cooked, tender, beautiful. We're just this cabin. Again, it's a pretty mirror image of the other side. Just show you around. Hello. TV again. Swans, we love a swan on a bed. Closet space. I'll just go over this side. So this is the main salon. The AC is on it's really hot in Tortola today, so the AC is very, very welcome because we've been rushing around the show. It's very, very hot at the minute. And this is the other cabin. Yep, these crew are doing a really great job. Really great job. So these guys are here for the season in the BVI. Yeah, okay, right, I'm gonna sign off now, but thank you for joining us on Mare Blue. Great boat, great crew, and we look forward to booking you guys on here.